Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gardening tips and tricks. Today, we're going to share 5 little-known gardening tips that can help you grow a healthier, more productive garden. Let's get started. Tip number 1, use coffee grounds as fertilizer. Did you know that coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth? Simply sprinkle used coffee grounds around the base of your plants or add them to your compost pile. Be sure to let the coffee grounds dry out before applying them to avoid mold growth. Your plants will love the extra boost. Tip number 2, plant marigolds to repel pests. Marigolds release a scent that deters a variety of pests, including aphids, mosquitoes, and nematodes. Planting marigolds alongside your vegetables or other susceptible plants can help keep your garden pest-free. Choose French marigolds for the best pest-repelling properties. They're beautiful and functional. Tip number 3, water your garden in the morning. This allows plants to absorb moisture before the heat of the day, reducing evaporation and ensuring they stay hydrated longer. Plus, watering early helps prevent fungal diseases as the foliage has time to dry before nightfall. Use a soaker hose or drip irrigation system to deliver water directly to the plant roots, minimizing water waste. Tip number 4, use Epsom salt for healthier plants. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which is vital for photosynthesis and helps plants absorb other essential nutrients. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and use it to water your plants once a month. This can lead to stronger, healthier growth and increased yields, especially for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. Tip number 5, create a DIY compost bin. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil for your garden. You don't need a fancy compost bin to get started. An old garbage can with holes drilled into the sides for aeration works perfectly. Add a mix of green and brown materials, such as vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, leaves, and shredded paper. Turn the compost regularly to speed up the decomposition process. Keep the compost moist but not too wet to maintain the right conditions for decomposition. Your garden will thank you for the rich organic matter. Those are our 5 little-known gardening tips to help you grow a thriving garden. Give them a try and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your gardening friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gardening!